Today we're going to talk about consonant CH. Um, so in the last video we looked at consonant C, and today is consonant CH. So consonant CH is pronounced like the CH in the word chief, chief, CH together. So let's look at some examples.
Listen and repeat.
Check it. Check it.
Alright, so obviously in American English or in English in general it's check. Over here, let's repeat it.
Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it.
Cheque,
Check it.
cheque,
Charla.
charla,
Charla. Chico.
chico,
leche,
leche,
muchacha,
muchacha,
cuchara,
cuchara. So notice that the CH in here is in the middle of the word, because in the previous examples we saw CH in the beginning of the word.
Listen and repeat.
Speakers from Spain,
Check it.
cheque,
Charla.
charla,
Chico.
chico,
Leche.
leche,
Muchacha.
Alright, so over here we have two CH pronunciations, if you will. So it is, sorry, so it is muchacha, muchacha,
Cuchara.
cuchara.
Listen and repeat.
cheque,
Okay, there's a noticeable difference compared to the previous pronunciations of the word check.
Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat.
Cuchara.
Listen and repeat.
Alright, so
cheque, cheque, cheque,
checky, it's more like checky. Alright, so this is a Latin or South American pronunciation, and I think previously we're looking at Spain. So I think in Spain it is pronounced more like cheque, and here it's more like
cheque,
checky,
charla,
charla,
chico,
chico,
leche,
leche,
muchacha,
and the last one is
cuchara,
cuchara, cuchara, cuchara, cuchara, cuchara. Alright. Interesting set of words and pronunciations. Again, as always, the link to this website is in the description. So, please feel free to practice this whenever you can. And in the next video, I'll be going and seeing, going into diphthong AI. So until then, see you next time.